Hello all, welcome to Linear. It's 14th of April 2024. We are going to discuss Nifty and try to understand its move for next week and for next session. So this is the last session's candle. Nifty opened slight gap down, then gave a small move in first 1 hour and then dipped on the downside, and it is close to 13 EMA. So we will first discuss Elliott Wave and then we'll discuss price action indicators. This will be very quick video in which we'll try to understand Nifty's move for next whole week. So this is the chart from last week that we discussed. Nifty was making a top near 20,810. That's what we discussed. And it was 5-wave move that we discussed. And then after 5 waves, usually a 3-wave correction is seen as per the Elliott Wave Theory. So this was the chart from last week. Let's understand on daily chart how it looks. So this is how Nifty is looking. So 5-wave impulse completed and it made top near 22,775 and then it gave a pullback. So here also we are considering a leading diagonal structure in this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a correction and then a move on the upside. This is what we are expecting. Why we are expecting an up move? Why we are bullish? Because Nifty has broken this high, tested it multiple times. So this was the high it made. It broke this high this time, pulled back, then again broken the high, again pulled back, then finally broke it out, right? Convincingly, and then retested it, and then again moved higher. So don't expect Nifty will fall below this until there is a major decline or 4-5 days of continuous decline. Until that, we should not be completely bearish, because you can see here Nifty was down and then again pulled back up, made new high. So don't consider any negative pattern like ending diagonal as of now here, because if the ending diagonal forms, then it has to retrace to the start point of that ending diagonal. So this is the start point. 18,866 is the downside level. If this is the ending diagonal, don't consider that as of now. Let's label them in an impulse structure only. So here on the downside, what is the level that we see? We also talked about that it can slip towards 0.618 Fibonacci. So this is the pattern that I can see here. Something like this can happen. It may go below 13 EMA. It may take support somewhere here in this range, right? That is just about 22,400 or 22,400 also possible. Then a pullback and again a slip towards 22,117. Then a up move is expected. So this is the first pattern that I want to think of. Another pattern that can form here based on expanded flat is like this. So you can assume this as wave A, this as B, then this as C. So for this to be B wave, this must be a 3-wave structure. But when we label internally, it looks 5-wave structure. So this is my secondary pattern. Until this level is broken, 21,710, I will not consider this pattern as my primary pattern. So this is just a possibility. The retracement that it has given is not also big one. Okay, it's within the limit. So this expanded flat also is a possible scenario. And you can see here previously Nifty has taken support. So when you plot Fibonacci on this point and this point, you get 0.6 Fibonacci at 21,670, right? Somewhere near that, around 40 points above, Nifty has made low and then it again went higher. So this is the pattern that I see for next session. So next week actually, so ABC is possible somewhere around 400. It may take support. Again, it may head towards 22,600 to 630 levels and then a move on the downside. So this is the pattern that I can consider for next week. So hope you understand this particular wave counts, and we will now check the price action indicators. So on the price action indicators front, we talked on the last week that Nifty is going sideways and it is still in uptrend, but the sideways move suggests us that the big moves are not happening, big gaps are not forming on the upside, and it's sideways to positive based on the Aron indicator. Since Aron line is above red line, it's positive, a little positive, but yet sideways. So that's the criteria that we discussed based on Aaron indicators multiple times. You can see here RSI is still above 50. That is considered a bullish signal. Until it breaks below 50, we should still assume that it is going on the upside. So this is 13 EMA blue line, and this is 48 EMA. Nifty has taken support multiple times near 48 EMA. Here, then here, and maybe now here, and then higher, right? So this is the way it can move. All the lines below, that is right now, this white line is coming around 21,600. Maybe it will push slight higher. But yeah, this is the white line, that is 100 EMA, and this is pink line, that is 200 EMA. So these are the next levels that we need to watch for if 48 EMA gets broken. So I'll watch for 2-3 days red candle closing below 48 EMA to confirm the bearish trend. So continuous, there should be a drop, then only we should consider this. But there is a likely chance that we can open gap down and take support near 22,400 in a next session because the global escalations and wars. But it may start immediately a pullback on the first 1 hour itself. So be careful and watch out this support near 22,400. Then we have support around 22,300, right? So from this level, it can pull back, and then again, it can slip downside, take support here and go higher. This is what I can think of as of now. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.